Good morning. We're tackling a broken rear seat latch on a Volvo V70, early aughts, in my case 2001. I'm guessing from the number of posts online that this is a common problem. So, I've already disassembled the latch, which you can see here. I see a lot of people guessing about which part of the latch you actually need to be addressing. I'm guessing from most of the posts it's right here. This is the piece, this is the catch. Can't see with the shadow. That black arm right there sticking up. This lever, which looks like this on the flip side, right there. You press that button down, you push it back towards the rear of the car. It engages this lever right here, which in turn raises the foot here, which engages with this catch right there. So first thing is, if you can't open it, peel back this edge of your seat foam and simply push this arm back with a long-handled screwdriver. That will disengage the seat to where you can get it apart like this. There are 3 screws here, here, and here, which is where this panel screws on, as well as one at the top right there. Mine is a bit busted up. Unscrew those and you'll be able to release the plastic seat latch. There you have it. I'm going to lube this up. It looks like that this piece right there, this plastic arm you see right here, is supposed to engage with this arm right here and push it back. In this case, mine is cracked. I'm guessing that that crack allowed this plastic arm there to jump out of place, jumping over to this side where it spins freely and there's no release on the lever. Hope that's helpful. Enjoy.